sorry. I had everything nice and set up at home, and then now it's all screwed up. What?
You know something stupid I did this weekend?
Huh?
You know something stupid I did Friday?
Not right now, but then
I have to believe it.
well, it depends if it's legal or not, but 35 divided by 5 is going to be a negative 7. Okay, the next ones are with decimals, so please use your calculator, okay? You guys' decimal game sucks, okay? And I'm be honest, I don't even know what it is in my head, so 2.1 divided by negative 3 is negative 0.7.
I know.
Yeah, do you have like a pass or something? Or you just have to decide who's filling you?
I found it.
That looks like a fake. Where are you trying to go?
And then I'm going to put it down. That's me my race dog.
Oh, yeah. It's a bad time to get your braces done. I'm sorry.
Is it really?
I mean, it's a good time, but nobody can see it to be like, oh, your teeth look so
yeah.
great.
I know. I'm sad.
Bye, have a good day. Okay, 7 is negative 7.8 divided by 1.5 to give you negative 5.2. Oh, I just marked Jackson. Yeah, why didn't you say that then?
Something, but you didn't.
Use your big boy voice. What's the matter with you? You know what? Remind me in a minute so I can resubmit it online, because I already put it online and said you were absent. Can I go? Next one. Okay, the fractions. So when you're given a divide one with the fraction bar, it kind of makes it a little bit confusing. Essentially, it's saying 4/5 divided by 1/2, okay? And to multiply or to divide by a fraction, okay, when you have a bar over a bar over a bar, okay, you have to multiply by the reciprocal, okay? And all the reciprocal is a fancy word for saying flip the fraction, okay? So this one, and if you do it to 1, you got to do it to the other. So you're really multiplying, you flip the bottom one. So instead of 1 over 2, it's going to be 2 over 1. Okay, and if we do it to the bottom, then we need to do it to the top. Bless you. Okay, so what's going to happen here is that these ones are totally going to cancel, which is what we wanted. Okay, and we already know how to multiply fractions because we did it the other day. Okay, so you just multiply the tops. So 4 times 2 is going to be 8. And then 5 times 1 is going to be 5. Okay, so you always multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, you flip it and then multiply the top and bottom. Yes, sir?
Can we leave it like in upper?
Yeah, just leave it in upper. You don't really, I shouldn't say this, but you don't really do fractions that much in Algebra 1 or Algebra 2, so there's no point in like teaching you guys how to convert it back, and this is a waste of time, in my opinion. I mean, you can convert it, but you don't need to know how to do it. Okay, 11. Okay, 11, we're giving a mixed fraction and and a regular fraction. So you need to convert the mixed fraction first, okay? So you multiply and you add. And I'm sorry, because mine doesn't, nope, it doesn't zoom in. Okay, so 2 times 8 is going to be 16 plus 3, so 17, 18, 19 over 8. Okay, that's what you're going to get for that mixed one, and we still got the divided by 2 over 3. Okay, me personally, I like to put them in this form because it's just easier for me. 19 over 8 over 2 divided by 3. Because sometimes some of you guys are going to forget which one to flip, which way it goes, and where to go. Can you do it this way? Absolutely, by all means, okay? I just prefer it this way because it's a little bit cleaner for my visionary, but do it whichever way you want to, okay? So you need to flip it, so 3 over 2. Okay, and if you do it to one side, you got to do it to the other side. So 3 over 2. Okay, so these are all going to cancel. So now you have 19 Over 8 times 3 divided by 2, okay? So you're gonna get 57 on top and 16 on the bottom. I haven't worn a mask in like 2 weeks, and I'll tell you right now, this sucks. I had gotten used to it, and then now I haven't gotten used to it again. Okay, 13 says Ashley has 12 pieces of candy. She wants to split them equally between friends. She has 5 friends plus herself. How many can each person have? So there are 12 pieces of candy, no doubt. Okay, what's it mean to split them equally?
Just like you're put them into like the small pieces.
Yeah. Okay, so that means we all get the same amount, right? It's fair, right? So I'm not going to give you $1,000 and give you 50 cents. Is that fair? I mean, kind of, because I don't really got to give you any money. But okay, if we're trying to split it, parents say they don't have a favorite kid. I swear to God, that's a lie. Okay, if your parents have more than one kid, they got a freaking favorite, guaranteed. Okay. I only have one kid, so my one kid is my favorite. But so she's gonna split them equally. How many people is she splitting it up with? 6. Okay, so it says 5 plus herself. So it's really gonna be, we got 12 pieces of candy, and to split them equally really means just to divide by 6. So you get 12 divided by 6 is just gonna give you 2. Okay, 15 says, if there are 63 total bottle caps and 3 children, how many does each child have? Okay, this is pretty much the same thing. 63 divided by 3. I almost said 12, but it's not. 21. Okay, you guys have the rest of the worksheet to do as you get finished. If you're one of them Canvas people, as soon as you're finished, take a picture, submit it on Canvas, and then you can put it in the box. And I'll grade it on Canvas and on the paper, and we're gonna see how this works. But you have to submit it on Canvas because otherwise it looks like it's missing on Canvas, and there's no way for me to submit you a grade. Okay, and then I'm gonna go through and tell some of you guys to get your work done.